Hello friends, I am back with a new video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to my YouTube channel so that I can do more videos. Today we are going to compare between the Bigg Boss Season 10 top 3 contestant Sangeeta versus Namrata versus Tanisha. Comparison between Sangeeta, Namrata and Tanisha. Real name: Sangeeta is Sangeeta Shringeri, Namrata is Namrata Gowda, Tanisha is Tanisha Kuppanda. Nickname: Sangeeta is Sangi, Namrata is Nammu, Tanisha is Tanni. Date of birth: Sangeeta is 13 May 1996, Namrata 15 April 1993, Tanisha 10 August 1990. Age is 27 years, Namrata 30 years, Tanisha 33 years. Birthplace: Sangeeta is Shringeri, Namrata Bengaluru, Tanisha Kodagu. Nationality: Sangeeta Indian, Namrata Indian, Tanisha Indian. The comparison between Sangeeta Shringeri, Namrata Gowda and Tanisha Kuppanda. Height: Sangeeta 5 feet 6 inch, Namrata 5 feet 5 inch, Tanisha 5 feet 7 inch. Weight: Sangeeta 55 kg, Namrata 60 kg, Tanisha 65 kg. Religion: Sangeeta Hinduism, Namrata Hinduism and Tanisha Hinduism. Zodiac sign: Sangeeta Aquarius, Namrata Aries and Tanisha Leo. Marital status: Sangeeta unmarried, Namrata unmarried, Tanisha unmarried. Hobbies: Sangeeta dancing and reading, Namrata dancing, Tanisha cooking and dancing. Profession: actor and model, Namrata actor model, Tanisha actress. Again the comparison between Sangeeta versus Namrata versus Tanisha. Next is the education. Sangeeta graduate, Namrata graduate, Tanisha graduate. Next is the year of active: 2016 present, 2011 present, Tanisha 2016 present. Next is the debut: Sangeeta Har Har Mahadeva, Namrata Krishna Rukmini, Tanisha Parijata. Total movies of Sangeeta is 7, Namrata is 1 and Tanisha is 6. Total serials of Sangeeta 2, Namrata 3 and Tanisha 4. Instagram followers of Sangeeta 611k followers, Namrata 1 million followers, Tanisha 355k followers. Thanks for watching and comment below your favorite contestant of Bigg Boss Kannada Season 10. Thanks for watching. Please keep